we would like to introduce you to One Network's cloud platform, the Real-Time Value Network, RTVN. Our Real-Time Value Network enables visibility and data flow across your entire supply network of trading partners and across business functions, as it happens. We have enabled our system with AI and machine learning agents to discern trends and disruptions across the supply network, eliminating the divide between planning and execution. With One Network, your supply chain is digitally transformed without the need to replace legacy systems. Let's show an example of how One Network solves problems in real time. We would like to introduce you to a company called Stark Industries, Inc. that has just joined the Real-Time Value Network. Stark Industries is focused on revenue growth, but when the CFO logs into the One Network system to view directional P&L analytics from RTVN, the CFO realizes that the company is at risk of missing critical revenue targets. The Stark Industries team begins a planning process to determine how to fix the problem. By viewing One Network's promotion analytics dashboard, the team can identify the item and type of promotion that would make the most impact. A 2-for-1 promotion on the virtual reality headset, item number 9, looks promising, and will help fill the gaps in revenue attainment by using a timely promotion of this product in market. With One Network's integrated business planning capabilities on RTVN, Stark Industries is able to do a sandbox what-if projection and see that the proposed promotion will indeed generate sufficient lift in sales to bring the projected revenues back above targets while still keeping healthy profit margins. The CFO takes this proposal to their CEO to secure her approval. The CEO agrees and the operating plan is updated to show the revenue problem resolved. The CEO sends out a blip within her company as well as to stakeholders at suppliers and carriers, informing them of the important promotion. It is now 3 weeks later. The promotion has been launched. Actual promotion lift is far more than originally anticipated. Continuous forecast management AI agents within RTVN have already been monitoring the point-of-sale data every hour and have decided that there is sufficient confidence in the trend and have updated the store forecasts. Stockouts are predicted at the stores and the retail DCs due to the unexpectedly high demand forecast. Another AI agent, Last Minute Allocation, has run and resolved stockouts at stores in the near term by limiting the replenishment orders to only what is needed in the next 2 days and canceling other demand. Note the canceled orders row in the report. At this point, the intelligent agents have resolved near-term issues using resolution tactics available to the autonomous agents. Frequently, additional discretion can be exercised through manual approvals and collaboration. Note that we have a stockout remaining at the retail DC 1 day from now. The buyer planner sees an exception alert in her problem window portlet and drills down. Intelligent agents suggest which orders are available to be expedited. She simulates the impact of the expedites and submits the proposal to her supplier. Then she uses One Chat to engage in a secure real-time chat with context to collaborate with her supplier and confirm the expedite. Once the supplier confirms, the problem is resolved. Now the retailer dashboard shows the problem resolved. The planner had barely taken a sigh of relief when she gets the news that a Category 5 storm is headed for the Florida coast and one of their key distribution centers will be shutting down for the next 2 weeks. She creates this disruption event in RTVN and shuts down the site. Once the site is shut down, the impact is visible on all the dashboards immediately. The inventory health chart shows red in the DC across all item groups as the DC will no longer be able to receive and ship supplies. The projected revenues minus target chart also shows red across the board. However, RTVN's intelligent agents also get to work immediately. First, they offload planned orders from stores to the alternate distribution center. You can see this in the order forecast report here. Note the canceled orders on the primary DC. Turning back to the inventory health chart, you can see the alternate DC in the top row. The existing stock plan at that distribution center did not intend to support this additional demand, so this distribution center starts showing stockouts also. Now, another set of intelligent agents gets to work to resolve these new stockouts by revising the supply plans into this alternate distribution center. Once these supply plans are adjusted, the inventory picture at the alternate distribution center returns back to green. Note that the projected revenues are now also back to green as we were able to offload demand to the alternate distribution center so that the retailer does not have any interruption in supply. So, how did things work out for Stark Industries? Let's see. It is now end of the quarter and the CFO is reviewing the financials. The CEO and her team review the actual numbers and the service levels across the board. Not only did they make the number, but far exceeded it. The CEO notes that even if the storm had not happened, the promotion would have saved the day. This story highlights the power of a digital network. All partners across the network are working together in real time to serve the end customer. The network runs itself. Intelligent agents in RTVN are constantly watching and continuously working to resolve problems and keep your supply chain humming along at top performance. Leading organizations from around the world, from nearly every industry, have joined One Network, helping to digitally transform industries including CPG, public sector and defense, healthcare, automotive, retail, and logistics.